This website we are going to look into today, all they need is for you to have a quiet place, have phone, have network, all right, a good, reliable network, then you are good to go. Just all you need to do is to watch and see how I am going to carry out my task on this platform. And note that this website is not a get rich quick or a Ponzi scheme. Everything that you are doing here is based on your experience. Even the task I am going to carry out is based on my own experience. Based on your own experience, you can be earning on this platform. All right. So I'm going to detail everything here. Okay. Because my videos, my name is Amaka, and I teach people on how to make legit money online. So without wasting much of your time after watching this video, and you think that I did justice to this video, all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, comment, and ask me a question anywhere you are confused, like, and I will keep bringing better updates like this. And there are other videos like this in the description of this video. You can watch them and be making a passive income from them. So the website we are going to look into today is UserBrain.com. On this UserBrain.com, okay, is a user website. Even if you don't know anything about US problem, like how to find a bug or how to go about testing a website or app, this website will make it so easy and seamless for you, because in their knowledge base, they will tell you what to do, and you also watch videos on how to go about it. So today we are going into UserBrain to see how it works, and they always have a task. This is a website where you carry out a task, where you test websites to know how they are actually working. Okay, it is not a Ponzi scheme. It is a website where you must do a task for you to earn. All right. So if you stick on this video from beginning to the end, we are going to answer their questions. Okay, the questions that you need to do before they will be able to be sending you task. And if you also want to have more than one account on this particular platform, I'm also going to tell you that and what you're going to do. All right, right now they say start for free. All right, once you enter into this interface, you go to your Chrome and type userbrain.com. all right, it will bring you here for you to start for free. You click on this start for free. Okay, and make sure that the location you have that phone number, because you're going to input all your details and everything about you. So when you come here, you fill in your details, you put your email, you set your password. All right, make sure that your password is something that you can remember anytime, any day. All right, then you come to this particular site and say, how did you hear about us? It is optional though, but you can go ahead and choose how you know about them. You can tell them it's from friends, it's from family, and all that. Okay, just input your details, which I am going to do. Okay, so now I'm going to put my new details, because if I put my main account, it's going to push me direct to the website, and you will not be able to grab some necessary information that you need to fill up before attempting a questions here. So right now I'm going to put another email and another password. All right, so now I've imputed my email and password, and it must be at least 8 characters, right? So now I'm going to choose how I was able to know them. I'm clicking on the social media, and I will click that I agree to their terms and conditions. You must click that. Okay, so if you have an account already with them, just look down, you will see it here. Already have an account, log in. All right, if I log in with my main email, it means that you will miss some certain settings. All right, remember, this is not a get rich quick or a Ponzi scheme. Rather, you are testing a website, and when you do very well based on your experience, you will be get paid for it. All right, so let's continue without wasting much of your time. So I'm going to click on this start for free. Okay, so right now you're going to see this interface. All right, on this interface, they want to know if you want to earn online, or you want UserBrain to test a work for your company. Okay, as you can see them here, you earn money online and you get paid to test. This is one we are going for. Or you'll try UserBrain for my company, which is for a customer. We are not customers. Okay, we are here to make money. All right, so I'm going to click on get paid, which is the first one. Okay, so right now it brings me here. As it brings me here, you can see, all right, that they are going to send me an email once there is a test, all right, based on my performance and my experience. Remember that. Okay, so look at over here, you will see you have already completed your test. Okay, I've already done my test, it is completed, and I'm also going to show you how you will do this test. Okay, if it is your first time of entering into this interface, it means that once you input your details and your phone number and everything, they will ask you to confirm your number. So the next thing that will bring you into this interface and ask you to start a test, you must do that test. And for you to do this test, all right, I am going to show you how you will do it, how you are going to answer these questions. Okay, and remember, when I am recording this when I will be recording this, I'm sharing my entire screen, which they will not allow me to record it. But as God may have it, after the test, they asked me to cross-check my test, which I did. So during that period, I used the opportunity to use another phone to record my test. Okay, so even if you cannot see anything I am doing on the test, you can at least hear my voice, because everything I am saying there was exactly what was written there. Okay, so if you're getting value on this video, all right, all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, because my own is practical. I always do my own things in a practical way, in a way that you understand it, in a way that it will not be very difficult for you. All right, you can also check out all my other videos on how to make money online, and you will see how seamless and simple they are. Okay, you can as well join our WhatsApp group, which I am going to paste at the channel description, not at the comment description, but at this channel description. You can join the WhatsApp, you can join the Telegram, because we keep giving tips there every now and then. All right, so right now I'm going ahead to show you how I was able to do the test and pass it. Okay, all you need to do is to follow exactly all the guidelines of what they ask you to do, and I want to give these tips too. All right, while doing this test, please make sure that your environment is not noisy. Make sure that you are speaking out loud. All right, I believe you can hear my voice very well. This is how you should be sounding, and you should be sounding confidently. All right, so, and again, make sure that even if you don't have mic or headset, which they are going to tell you to use, try as much as you can to talk out loud. Once you finish that test, all right, they are going to check if you are able to talk out loud, if you are able to identify things they really want to know on the website. All right, so right now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the test. Okay, so here I'm going to click on the show task. So when I click on the show task, it says, welcome to your qualification test. To improve your chances of getting approved to conduct paid test, please make sure to do the following. Use a headset and avoid loud background noises. Read your task and questions aloud and clearly. Complete your task thoroughly and answer all questions. Impute fake information if no other details are given. Example, e.g. john@duo.com. Please think out loud during the entire test. You can now continue. So right now, I'm going to click on the next. Okay, then on the next, which is question number 2, it says, please remember to think out loud during your test and tell us if there is any information missing. First, take a look at the home page and tell us what you think this website is. You can scroll if you want, but please don't click on anything yet. Okay, so right now, what is the first thing you notice? What can you do on this site? What product or service are offered? Who do you think this is intended for? Okay, so right now I'm going to the website. The first thing I see here is Farmer's Fridge. All right, and I think this website is for a healthy meal. Okay, if you want to go into a healthy meal, this is a website that can give you all the necessary things, information that you need. All right, so I am scrolling down to the website to really understand what it is all about, and I can see different chef-crafted meals prepared and chopped daily. Okay, and I can see the salad, breakfast, sandwich, and bowl. So these are healthy meals. Anybody can eat it. It's meant for everyone. All right. So I'm scrolling down to get a clear view of the website very well, and I'm seeing different recipes and different pictures of meal. All right. So, and I'm also seeing the ingredient first, chef crafted. Okay. So I'm scrolling down, trying to navigate through the interface to understand this website better, and I understand they also deliver daily, and anywhere you are, you can order for anything. And I can also see that this website has an app which you can download. All right, and it's actually meant for anyone that wants a healthy eating habit. All right, so right now I'm going back to the show task. Okay, I'm going to click that I have completed the task. All right, so now I head over to the next question, which says, please subscribe to this channel if you really think that I am detailing everything here, showing you all the necessary things that you need to do for you to pass this test and be earning on this platform. All you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, ask me questions, like, share this video, and I will keep bringing more of this for you. I will keep updating you on all these websites on how to make money online. Now let's go back to our questions and continue the task. Imagine you're trying to eat healthy during busy work days, but you often end up grabbing fast food because you don't have time to cook. You like a ready-to-eat option that includes a lot of produce, and you want to know where you can get them near you. Explore the site to understand how this service works and where you can get the food. Stop once you have found a page or a section that clearly explains where to find these meals in real life. Don't place an order. Okay, right now I am going back to the interface to actually see how I can order for this meal if I am in my workplace and I really want to eat. So now I click on the hamburger. So from the hamburger, I can see the menu and as well as the location, about us, and get fridge. So I am going to click on the location. So that enables me to know actually where this particular farm bridge is located and places where I can order this meal. And without wasting much of my time, I can see there is a sit-down center where I can order for this food, and there is a John Federal Building. There is also a JP Morgan at 16th floor. All right, so these are the places I can. Okay, there is also another JP Morgan at 35th floor. And there is also Amwins where I can order these meals, okay? And there are other places, okay, even Pixies, even UIC School of Law and Chicago State Street. I can also order and I can also order at Morningstar, okay, which is at 22 W Washington Street, all right? So, and I can also order at 4th floor, Amenity Hub, all right? So there are a lot of places where I can place my order based on my location, okay? So, and I'm going to just choose the one that is very close to me and I will place my order there. Right now, I am going back to the show task to check that I have completed the task, all right? So now I have completed the task and I'm going to the next question, all right? So on the next question, it asked me how easy or difficult was it to figure out where you can get these meals in real life. Okay, I'm going to choose 5/5 because it was very easy to me to navigate. The interface simplified everything for me. So I'm moving to the next step. All right, so on the next step, the question says, now you want to check what kind of food are available before you go out of your way to get it. Find where you can browse the available food options and pick 2 items you realistically want to eat this week. Open each item's detail page or closet equivalent so you can see what it is and what is it. Stop once you have viewed details for both items. So right now I am going to I'm going back to the interface. So I went back and I click on the hamburger, which is the 3 button up, and I click on the menu. So on the menu I will be able to select what I want. All right, so I am scrolling through the menu and I am under the features. So under the features I can see a lot of things which include Greek salad, strawberries, and cream shiny pudding. So I don't really like things here, so I'm moving over to the high protein. All right, so on the high protein side I can see a high protein chicken combo salad. All right, so and I can also see classic chicken salad bowl, and I also see a smoked turkey and bacon club sandwich. So I think I'm going to go for this smoked turkey and bacon club sandwich. All right, and also I will also go for a high protein turkey and cheddar wrap. Okay, so I'm going now to click on them as to place order. I'm going back to navigate through. So as I'm going back, the button was I'm trying to navigate through, but the button is not going back. I think this is an error, which when clients wants to place an order, it is very important that once they click on the order, they will be able to see what they want to buy, which include the ingredient. So it didn't bring me back, but I click on the refresh button to see if it will, but it still bring me back to the home page. So I'm still going to click on the protein again. Then I look for that smoked turkey and bacon sandwich.
So you see how simple and easy those website testing is, okay? That is why I nailed everything in such a way that anybody that have not even done a website testing before, you can be able to do it. All you need to do, even if you don't understand this video for the first time, go back and watch it again and you will understand it better, okay? Guys, if I really did justice to this video, detailing everything, because that was the last question that was asked to me, please subscribe to this channel, join our Telegram group, join our WhatsApp group, because we keep dropping better updates every now and then, which you are going to see the link at the description of this video, okay? And for the withdrawing method, you need a PayPal, okay? And I've showed my community on how to create this PayPal. All right, once you register on the Survey Premium site, you are going to get exactly how you are going to create this PayPal account, which I have already simplified, okay? All you need to do is that if you need that paper or how to create it, chat me up on the WhatsApp and I will put you through. All right, thank you guys, I really appreciate you.